Ay, maganda nga yun eh. Ayoko. Parang bigyan mo sa kanya. Palit tayo. Uy, sa iyan ay sasabos mo na? Ha? Di parang stick IQ eh. Pero nga, yung iyan ay. Hindi, meron pa isa. Yung sa The Demon Lover. Ha? Yung thesis lang yun. Yung thesis statement lang yun. Yun nga, pero inano ko lang kagabi. Ano na, tapos iba parang... Hindi ko lang ginawa. So, ano gagawin? Nakalimutan ko yung AirPods case ko sa kotse. Kaya yan na yun ko. Kaya... Sophia kasi... Sinini si Sophia. Alis na ako. God! Bye! Yan ka, pigilin. Kaaga eh. Oo, aga mo ngayon ah. At least nag-abot-abot ka.
Ha?
Alis na. Bye-bye! First day of homecoming week. What's the theme? Surfers
Versus cowboys.
Cowboys. I'm both.
No, you're not.
Okay, wear this then. I'm a surfer. We should do a picture. Wait. Picture. With this. And then what's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is like dress alike with friends.
Yeah, that one.
We're gonna try to make it work.
Yeah, we are. I'll probably wear a skirt. Yeah, I can handle that. I can handle.
Alright, we're ready to talk, folks.
Womp womp.
You can stand up so you can see this playing the game. So you see,
Yeah.
it's for the students to play. You want to play?
You can ask me. I don't really know how to play that. Sorry.
It's a Korean game.
That's a nice game.
Wala, this freaking
Hindi, nag-try ko talaga mag-ano ako, skirt. Kasi yung isa kong kaklase, si Bruno Mars siya. So ako si Rose, dapat. Dapat mag-skirt ako kasi dapat ako si Rose sa apat din. Kasi naka-Bruno Mars siya, like, yung buong fit. Kaso mo lang may paano mong skirt.
Nag-try ba si Denver?
Hindi. Hindi niya alam.
Huh?
Ah, hindi.
Talo lang sa akin yun.
Try ko yung sampal. Tara.
Did you try?
Ayoko nga, hindi ko nga alam yan. Baka sampalin pa ako.
No. Wait, did they actually slap people?
Hindi
Because I wouldn't play that.
Rough. Rough.
C plus ang puti.
Is the quiz gonna be hard?
No, it's not. And you
Binigyan kayo
have to
review?
do it tomorrow if you want to drive. There's some more reviews if you ask people.
Kasi nagpapatulong lang din ako kay Ma'am Jan.
If you did what we did
Sa mga assignment ko kahapon, nagpatulong ako. Ang tanong, nasaan?
Hey, Mr. Miles, how you doing?
Ay, ito pala. Ah, Jimmy. Hey!
Wait.
Wala!
Sorry ka.
Uy, si Sophia muntik mo biktima. Biktima ng ano, Squid Game.
Ha?
Muntik mo biktima ng Squid Game si Sophia. Sa likod mo, naghahagat,
Ganda. Yung parang may flip.
Parang yung ano, yung kulay green yung ano, package. Ay, green apple.
Kuha tayo. Ha?
Sama kita. Don't you want me like I want you? Ah! Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. Bitch. Oh yeah, should I wear this?
Second day.
Hey. What's the theme today?
Dress alike with friends.
Dress up with friends.
Okay? While we... That's us right now.
Well, I'm not blonde, but
Still. She's my rosé.
don't you want me like I want to, baby?
You're gonna be blind.
Oh my god. Hi. I gotta put my like that. Friday. I'm too shy to take off. You know what? You should take it off. It's hot there. I wanna take off mine. Mine's like a, alam mo yung parang tight na ano. But like, it's like up to here and I didn't shave. It's winter, why would I shave? You know what I'm talking about. I barely wear sleeveless shirts. Uy, ang aga. Ang aga.
Umaga na kami sinusundo.
That's good.
7:30 pa lang nandun na.
7:30.
Kaya nga 6 ako umalis ng bahay.
Dati 6:44. 30? Dati 6:44.
Di ba, hindi lang 6:44. Ano lang yun, mga 7 yun.
Oy, for today, mag-vlog tayo.
Go.
Sophomore side tayo lahat ngayon,
Ha?
Sophomore side.
Ano sa pumasok?
Mamaya, assembly.
Sige.
Magsistay si Sofia ngayon. Wala siya Hilliard.
Ha?
Wala siyang Hilliard, kaya magsistay siya ngayon. Buong umaga. Mainit, babe. Ba't ganun?
Habang volumize hair ko.
Pwede, okay lang. Basa, ba't basa?
Di ba sa akin?
Ano yan? Wax? Ay, wax.
Hindi. Wala, natural.
Oh?
Hindi ko alam ba't nagkagano.
Ay, we.
Ewan, nag-conditioner lang naman ako. Ganun lang lang. Tapos hair dry.
Pero ba't basa?
Ewan ko. Uwe, basa.
I mean, like, ewan ko kung basa siya, pero mukha siyang basa. Wow.
No, wala na si Kriste.
Uy, buti mo sinabi, nag-small bag ka pala.
Kaya mo. Wala na
Sabagay, hindi ko kasi sure kung kailangan i-swap.
Actually,
Siya kasi Hilliard lang siya umaga.
kaya mo.
Pero
Wala na Miss Krista.
mag-vlog tayo for today.
Hindi. Natural yan. Hindi ko alam paano.
Kaya, parang medyo basa pero hindi. Uy.
Ay!
Ikaw? 7. Ay, yun eh. Ba't iyon lahat ng 7 taon?
Diba?
Seven ako.
Ay, dito ka. Dito ka.
Dapat dito kayo lahat. Denver, palit kayo doon.
Room 25. Ano, ganun pala kanina tayo nag-usap na chinichita ko yung kay ano. Ganun.
Nag-rush yun. Ako sabi ko, talaga.
I-cut niyo lang po. Thank you.
Oh my God. No, because I'm trying to do my lips. You're doing what? My lips. Oh. You were doing what?
I heard nails and I was like, huh?
I stole this from my mom.
Ooh, it's pretty.
I know.
Actually, not like no. I was way more. It was way more passive aggressive than being Karen. It was the pharmacies thing.
I was shocked she has this kind of color because she likes darker shades. Because she's paler than me. Am I dominant? I'm brown, man.
No, I'm just wondering why you guys are yelling at me like crazy. Yes. Okay.
He's gonna crash out.
But wait! It's the pink dancing shark! Carry the treasure! What is in the treasure but a big blue